6-year-old being brutalized in Delhi by some miscreant, and when the family goes to the police station to register the case, they have been turned away by the police. And not only that they did not file the FIR, but they also bribed the family by giving them 2,000 rupees, telling them, instructing them not to go to the media, and also just to go and get the girl treated. The girl is fighting for her life in the hospital. When people heard such a news, lots of people went to the hospital to protest, and the same police which has not done its duty, its responsibility of registering the case, have indulged in bribing the family, hits the protesters. 2 girls have been physically assaulted by the policemen in front of the hospital. The girl is bleeding from her ears. What kind of a system are we living in? First of all, the way the little girls have become prey of these predators, sexual perverts, predators who are not sparing even a little child. On the other side, we have a whole lot of people in society who are supposed to be leaders, religious, political and all that, who blame girls and women for not wearing proper clothes, for doing all kinds of, blaming the girls for getting raped. And then we have the police system which is not willing to learn. In spite of the fact that there is a law that if they will not register the case, there will be section 166A imposed on them and they can go to jail for 2 years. But nobody is willing to neither help people, neither they are willing to learn from what new laws are saying. This is the kind of system we are at the moment. Failed system will not really work anymore. We have to get together as a society, punish the people who are doing such a thing, whether it is by ostracizing socially, catch them by the hands of the law, make the hands of the law strong, train the police, change the police. Police cannot afford to behave the way Delhi police is behaving like that all over the country. We saw just yesterday Aligarh police brutalizing women, Punjab the police is brutalizing women, now today Delhi police is slapping girls. So what is this? How can police take the law in their own hands when they are supposed to be enforcing the law themselves?